Deep in the forest, a little life was trapped. A squirrel, helpless, caught in a hunter's net. The more it fought, the tighter the ropes became. Many animals passed by, but none dared to help. High above the forest, a parrot was flying happily. Suddenly, he notices a squirrel. The parrot pecked, tugged, pulled with all its strength. One strike, then another. The ropes didn't break easily, but courage never gives up. With every strike, the parrot gave hope. And finally, the first rope broke. Freedom was near. At last, the net gave way. The squirrel was free, but more than freedom, it had found a friend. Sometimes the greatest strength isn't in size or power, but in kindness. And that kindness saved a life today.